Do you sometimes forget simple things, like where you placed your keys or why you walked into a room? You might laugh it off as just aging. But what if I told you there is one common habit that speeds up memory loss faster than almost anything else? Today, we'll uncover what doctors are now calling the silent dementia trigger, something millions of people over 60 do every single day without realizing it, as harming their brain. And most importantly, I'll show you exactly what to do instead, so you can protect your memory, stay sharp, and keep your independence for years to come. So please watch this video until the end, because this one change could truly make a life-changing difference for you or someone you love. Section 1. Establishing the urgency. Here's the truth. Dementia doesn't happen overnight. It begins 10 to 20 years before symptoms appear, slowly damaging brain cells until you start noticing small memory slips. But new research shows that a single daily behavior can make that process up to 3 times faster. And no, it's not sugar. It's not stress. And it's not even lack of sleep. It's something far more common, something most seniors believe is actually healthy. According to neurologists at Boston University, the #1 fastest dementia trigger among older adults is chronic dehydration, not drinking enough water. Yes, really. Even mild dehydration, just 1 to 2% of body fluid lost, can cause the brain to shrink temporarily, reducing focus, memory, and even mood. And here's what's even more shocking. After age 60, our brain's ability to detect thirst drops dramatically. That means your brain can be dehydrated right now, and you wouldn't even feel thirsty. In one major study published in Neurology Journal, older adults who were even mildly dehydrated scored significantly lower on memory and reaction tests. And long-term, that dehydration increases the buildup of harmful amyloid plaques, the sticky proteins directly linked to Alzheimer's disease. Think about it. Every morning you wake up and reach for coffee, maybe 2 cups, then maybe a little tea later in the day. By evening, a small sip of water with dinner. Coffee and tea may taste comforting, but they're both diuretics. They make your body lose even more fluid. So by the end of the day, your brain cells are literally running on empty. That's why you might feel foggy, tired, or forgetful. It's not just getting older. Your brain is simply thirsty. But here's the good news. Doctors say you can start reversing this in as little as 3 days, simply by adding one simple nightly drink that rehydrates your brain while you sleep. In a moment, I'll share exactly what that drink is, and the 3 brain-boosting ingredients that help repair memory and circulation naturally. But first, let's understand how dehydration damages your brain, so you'll see why this small fix works so powerfully. Section 5. Why hydration is key for brain protection. Your brain is about 75% water. Every thought, every memory, every movement depends on it. When you drink water before bed, it helps the brain flush out toxins and waste proteins through something scientists call the glymphatic system. It acts like a nightly rinse cycle for your brain. Think of it as your brain's dishwasher. It clears away the harmful plaques linked to dementia while you rest. And here's the secret. This system only works properly when your body is well hydrated. So if you go to bed dehydrated, your brain can't clean itself efficiently. Night after night, those waste proteins build up. But if you drink the right combination of fluids before bed, you're giving your brain the exact tools it needs to protect itself. Section 6. The Nighttime Drink Remedy. So what should you drink? Doctors and nutritionists agree. This simple nighttime drink can help rehydrate your brain, balance electrolytes, and support memory overnight. Here's how to make it. Step 1. Start with 1 cup of warm water, not cold, not hot. Warm water is absorbed more quickly and gently by the body. Step 2. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon contains electrolytes and vitamin C, which help your brain absorb water more effectively and fight inflammation. Step 3. Mix in a pinch of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. This tiny amount of natural sodium helps balance electrolytes, keeping water inside your cells instead of passing through too quickly. Step 4. Optional. Add half a teaspoon of honey if you like. Honey provides gentle glucose that fuels brain cells through the night. Drink this about 30 minutes before bedtime. It's simple, soothing, and supports your brain's cleaning system, so you wake up more alert, refreshed, and focused. Section 7. Supporting lifestyle tips. Of course, water alone isn't magic. To truly protect your brain from dementia, combine this nightly hydration habit with a few small daily steps. Keep a glass of water near you all day. Sip, don't chug. Move your body. Even a short walk helps blood and oxygen flow to your brain. Eat hydrating foods, like cucumbers, oranges, and berries. Manage stress. Deep breathing and quality sleep support brain repair. It's these small, consistent steps that make a massive difference over time. So, seniors, beware. The fastest dementia trigger isn't always something complicated. Sometimes it's the simple things we forget to do, like drink enough water. Start tonight. Make your cup of lemon water. Take a calm breath. And remember, your brain is always listening to how you treat it. With the right care, you can keep your mind clear, your memory sharp, and your spirit strong, no matter your age. I hope today's video helped you. If you found it valuable, please tap the like button. It really supports this channel and helps more people over 60 live healthier, sharper lives. And don't forget to subscribe to Renew60 Health for more natural tips and doctor-approved secrets to aging well. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.